till tonight. But I know if I hold off and wait, it'll probably never happen. And Cole's still asleep, which is why I'm kind of whispering, because it's like he can hear me even in another room. He's actually already been up, and I managed to lay down with him and he went back to sleep. I knew he was still tired. I knew he was not ready to wake up. But anyways, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And then maybe do a sheet mask while I attempt round 2 of cleaning my home. And I don't normally sleep in earrings, y'all. That's how tired I was last night. It's been a while since I've done this, like, I don't know if y'all can see. All right, I just threw this back on because I literally had it on for like 2 seconds yesterday before we had to run out the door. You guys, I am back home. I cleaned up a little, as you saw. I need to go close the dryer. Hold on. I had a slow morning, but I did get a few things done. I am putting some clothes in the dryer right now. I was on my way home and I was just thinking about all the things I have to do, like work things that I have to do that I have refused to do over the weekend because, like I said, I don't like bringing my work home. I don't like bringing that level of stress into my happy place. I also have not meal prepped. I need to finish laundry, you know, do the things. Like, I didn't even clean the bathrooms. I started in Cole's room with cleaning and organizing his stuff. Feel myself getting really anxious because of all the things I know I need to do and I want to do. And instead of like shutting down, what I do typically when I start to feel anxious and have weekends like this, I'll like shut down and just do nothing. And or I hyperfixate on all the things I have to, must do. And I go into Monday just feeling drained and defeated. And it really makes for a rough week. So instead of that, if you know, I give myself manicures and pedicures. I struggle with cleaning up my cuticles, but I have been wearing press-ons. And so I've been using like the little drill to kind of clean up my cuticles. But my feet, on the other hand, I struggle like making them look pretty. Now, I will give myself a pedicure, but once every so often, I will go in and let them like actually clean up my toes the right way. And at first I wasn't going to go because I was like, I don't have time. I have so many things to do. And I was like, you know what? I feel myself getting anxious and I need a mental reset and a faith reset before I get so frustrated to the point that I just... So I am taking my iPad. It has my Bible app on it. I'm going to get a pedicure. I might let them clean up my nails. And then that way when I get home later on tonight, when I'm done with everything, I can catch a show, pop on my press-ons, because I got some fall colors. I'll show y'all. And yes, I'm going to have to come back home and clean. But at least I can get a mental reset and get away from the thing that is stressing me right now, which is my home. So... And it's not just like the cleaning. I love that Cole plays and enjoys himself. And he had the Play-Doh out this morning and it was entertaining him. But the mess he made literally was just stressing me because I was like, because he cleans it and he tries, y'all, he tried to sweep up his little, but it like makes a bigger mess. And when I'm trying to get things done, I'm like, okay, no, just let me do it. And I don't want to be like that with him. I want him to enjoy and just be a kid. And he's so helpful. And I love that about him. And so instead of stressing about my house not being clean, I'm just going to walk away. I'm just going to leave the house, come back, woosah, and clean up the Play-Doh. Let me show you what he tried to clean up. I was like, he said, Mommy, because I said, Cole, you have to clean that up so you can eat. And he said, okay. All right, here is what he left. So he tried, the broom is right here. He tried and like he got most of it up, but as you can see, there's still Play-Doh bits everywhere. Everywhere. And so I have to come back home and clean this up. I also need to go to Walmart. I was gonna go to Ulta, which would probably be better, but last time I went to Ulta, I couldn't find the eyebrow pencil I wanted, and I know Walmart has it. So I'm also gonna go to Walmart because my Morphe brow pencil, I turned it this morning and it is done. Like there's no more to turn. So I know tomorrow is probably the last day I could use that one. So I need another eyebrow pencil. And I stated in my empties that I bought another L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Y'all, I can't find it. I'm gonna look again before I go. These are the colors I got them off of Amazon. I got like a pinkish one too. And they're different brands on purpose so I can see which ones that I like. But I think I'm gonna try these today. So we're gonna head over to get our toes and our hands done and head to Walmart, come back and see how we're feeling, where we're at, what we're gonna accomplish, because it's either gonna be a really long night or just some stuff that's not gonna get done.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep.
All right, guys, so I am back home. It is much later in the evening. It's almost 10:30. I'm about to wind down. I was cleaning my bathroom. I got like white all over my hands. I'm cleaning off my little skincare table and cleaning up my bathroom, and then I think I'm going to call it a night. I did get a pedicure. I did not do my meal prep like I started. I just didn't do my breakfast So I might just take fruit tomorrow for breakfast. And meal prep tomorrow. I did some rice, but like I didn't get to do my bell peppers and my chicken. So I don't know. I'll probably just do like those deli sandwiches for lunch, which is easy. I thought about putting the little salad kit together. I just don't know. At least I have options. I like that I have options that I can choose from. But yeah, I am going to end the vlog here, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. But thank you so much for spending the last couple of days with me, and just going through craziness with me, the highs and lows of life. I just want to say that even in my tiredness, like I was cleaning up Cole's mess earlier, I was like, God, I'm just so tired. And then I stopped and I looked around and I said, God, I think you have a house to be tired from cleaning. Like, I thank you that I have a child to clean after. Because I remember when I was younger and just really wanting to be a mother, and life doesn't always go how you want it, but you should be grateful in every season. And the greatest thing that ever happened to me was becoming a mom. Like, it has been my biggest joy. And while it can be tiring, especially because I'm doing it alone, it doesn't, my tiredness shouldn't steal my joy and overshadow how grateful I am for life and the life I have and the things I have, because things could be so much worse. So yeah, hope that little encouragement helps you some sort of way. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.